Until recently, separating organics from non-organics in mixed waste streams was practically impossible, and certainly not cost-effective. The OREX Organics Extruder changed all that. After some manual pre-sorting to remove large pieces of plastic, glass, electronic and medical waste, the remaining mixed waste is fed into the OREX press, where, through applying extremely high pressure, the organic fraction is separated from the mixture, which effectively turns this problem waste into two forms of usable energy. The organic fraction is turned into high quality compost and biogas, while the remaining dry fraction goes on as refuse-derived fuel, also known as RDF, useful in a variety of industries. The OREX machine can be the beating heart of an entirely new waste handling facility, or it can be integrated into an already operational waste handling system. OREX-centered waste handling systems are currently operating in facilities around the globe, from the US to Europe, India and Africa. To learn more about this revolutionary waste-to-energy system, contact us at the email address on your screen or call Bart van Wenen directly.